her tire touched.
Here we are, Bob Singer's ride to hell.
Me too.
Bob Singer's ride to hell and beyond.
Yeah, exactly. Not negotiable, hell and beyond.
How the ride is going to be like today? Do you think, Rob?
I'm looking at the
It's a photo
attendees.
opportunity.
I'm looking
Okay.
at the attendees. I'm trying to subtract hills in my head. So how do I do that?
Oh, he's doing
Is everybody complete?
well, Paul's not here.
It's actually a movie, so you guys are on the movie. Yeah.
Hurry up.
I still have to pump my tires.
This movie is going to call Hell on Wheels.
All right.
Yeah, the club version.
He's going to put it on
I gotta go pump my
Facebook.
tires.
The club
We'll
version.
get pictures in the end. I want them to be ready.
This is called the
All
No
right.
Pain, No Gain ride.
Oh, I didn't know that.
So where are we going, Rob?
I'm trying to think as we talk. You know.
Nice kit.
Well, that's a good idea of no
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Here's Jeremiah.
See, the nicest routes are the ones a lot of people do all the time.
Yeah,
is that
And I try and
Juan
find,
Valdez?
off the beaten
Yeah.
path, but parallel.
Well, you can do a combination. You know, sometimes if you're doing them in a different direction, they look different anyway.
Right.
You know, if you do them all the same way, they look the same. You know. Well, I'm gonna hit the bathroom if I have a minute.
Yeah, hustle up. You're getting there.